Okay, so in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to align objects and even test in Photoshop. Okay, now let's first of all create image. So let's create a shape here. So let's create rectangle. So this is one box here. Let's create another one, another box here. Let's create another one, another box here. Let's create another one. Okay, yeah, so we have four boxes. Yes, and I want them to be aligned. See, the spaces here are not intact, so you don't have to go ahead and move this one up and move this one. You will struggle before you get to the actual one. See, though it will help you, you see there's some lines helping you out, but that's not the best way, because you see you won't still get it. So what you have to do is that it comes the layers here. We have the first rectangle, the second one here, third one, the fourth one. Highlight all of them. So if you want to highlight, you just hold the control button, then you highlight the second one, third one, the fourth one. Or yes, still you can just hold the shift button, then go to the last one that you want to highlight, and highlight everything together. You get it. Yeah, so when you are done highlighting, what you have to do is that you see we have some some instructions here. So when you look at this one, when you put on it, the align left edges. You come to here, see that align horizontal centers. This one is align right edges. You come here, this is distributes. So we see we have different ones there. So if you want any of them, so for mine, I want to just align them. So you see align left. So I've aligned all of them, so you can see that now they are intact. If I want the spacing to be the same, then come to this side. So this one has aligned them to be in the center. So with the center, they are the same. I want them to be here. Do the same thing here. Let me try and get this thing. Let me get this thing. Okay. So when it comes to this side, you see we have. Sorry that I've minimized my screen. I think the recorder is not helping me out. So you come to this side. This one is for, you see, distribute vertically. So when I click on this one, what it's going to do is that, you see, it's going to make the spacing. Okay, so it has made the spacing be equal. So everything here has been the same thing. So here is for this one is for center, and this one. So normally let's bring this one back. So what this one is going to do is that, especially the one that deals with, so let me bring this one down. Let me bring it down. See, this one is far wide apart. Okay, then you select all of them. So this one that we have is going to actually distribute it perfectly. We're looking at the interval that we have here, and the interval here is going to automatically divide it so that the intervals will be the same. So let me just do it for you to see. You see, so it has distributed it based on the intervals that we have there, and it's very simple. So that's how you're able to distribute this. And this is not done for only shapes. We also do the same thing for text. So if I have my text here, so let's say I've written hello. Okay, so hello. Let me reduce the size. So I go to properties. I reduce the size here. So let me reduce the size to 72. So I have hello here. So hello. So this is hello. Okay, so we have the hello here. And then what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to write a different one. So let me just write, let's say, how are you? So how. So I'm done with the how to. So move that one to here. So how. Okay. Then we go to let's add another one. So let's say let's add R. So we have the R to here. Same thing. So we are done with that. We move it. It's not even necessary.
Okay, I found this on the web for how do I do.
It's not even necessary because we are going to use this one to do that for ourselves. Okay, so basically it's important to also move it well, because the same way that is using the to align left, is going to check the last one and going to align to fit that one. So it's good that the R comes in a little bit so that doesn't affect what you're doing. Then we come to the next one, which is U. So let's add U. So U, how are you? Hello, how are you? So we have this one to here. Then we do the same thing. So let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, so we are done with this one. So now let's do the same thing for the test. The same procedure. You just click this with the shift key. You can highlight all of them. Okay, then you can just align all of them to the left side like that. You see everything's been aligned. This one is going to space them out the same way. You get it? So the spacing was almost the same. So you see it has been done. That is how the whole thing does. So you put it down. You see the intervals are almost the same. So basically that's how the whole thing is being done. Okay. Yes, so thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe, share, and if you like, a comment for me so that my channel will be active and people will be very interested in the channel. Thank you very much once again for watching.